coming back into my channel. It's your girl Beautiful Yaz, and I'm back with another video. For this video I will be showing you how I do my eyebrows, and let me just show y'all how they looking. I'm gonna like create like a short little 1-minute series of videos, and I'll just make little videos about whatever it is that you guys want me to do videos about. So make sure you leave a comment below and let me know what further videos you guys would like to see. Let's get right into this eyebrow tutorial. Let's go. Alright, you guys, so that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and was able to learn something from it. I know it was quick, but these videos are like kind of fun, you know, kind of fun to watch also. Don't forget to like and comment below what other videos you'd like to see in the future of me. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, check the description box also. The product that I used in this video, the makeup brush, the marble makeup brush, that can be purchased on my website at beautifulyaz.com. Shipping is free now, so make sure you guys hop on that. Okay, I'll go now. I'll see you guys in my next video.